sitwasyon dito sa Barangay San Jose, Villa Felicidad. Kapitan, baka pwede nyo naman kami respondayan dito.
Philippines, Sunday, February 9, 2025.
May mga na-stranded sa mga loob ng bahay. Ito na po ang sitwasyon namin dito sa loob.
Heavy rains forced many residents in Palawan, Philippines, to evacuate due to flooding over the weekend, on Sunday, February 9, 2025. Several barangays in Puerto Princesa City, and other southern towns in Palawan, were flooded on Sunday due to 2 days of heavy rains, caused by the intertropical convergence zone, shear lines and a low-pressure system.
Pagkalalo eh. Baha na naman. Ha?
Ano na nga?
Residents said this was the first time they were submerged in water up to the waist of adults, such as in barangays San Miguel, San Pedro, San Manuel, San Jose, Tagburos, Sta Lourdes, Tiniguiban, Sicsican, Irawan, Iwahig, and Bancao Bancao.
Grabe. Ito po ito sa Project 3.
A Bancao Bancao resident, Shoogar Santos said, "This really surprised us. Usually the flood only reaches the highway, now it has actually reached Rizal Avenue. In the lowland areas, the water is waist deep. This is the first time for us."
Nakarang lang yan, nakatagubal na sabi dito.
In Barangay Plaridel resident, Aborlan said, "We were forced to evacuate since early morning, when the flood started entering their homes. Motorists traveling to Puerto Princesa were stranded for several hours, after being trapped by waist-deep floodwaters along the national highway."
Barangay San Jose, Kapitan!
According to the City Social Welfare and Development Office, CSWDO reported, 151 households were evacuated from the barangay, 666 people, and Solomon Bridge in Barangay Iwahig and Iratag Bridge in Barangay Irawan were overflowing, but still passable. Rescue personnel from CDRRMO, Palawan District Coast Guard, SIGPOL, Marine Battalion Landing Team 9, MBLT 9, Philippine Red Cross Palawan Chapter, and Puerto Princesa City Police Office are already on the scene to evacuate stranded residents.
Virginia, Purok Anunang, Barangay Sicsican. Ayan po, nakikita ninyo. Grabe ng baha.
The provincial DRRMO reported that, as of 2 p.m., 357 families comprising 1,697 individuals have been evacuated by rescue workers in Aborlan, 218 families, 1,010 individuals, of whom were brought to evacuation centers, while 139 families are still outside. In Nara, 254 families, 697 individuals, were also brought to evacuation centers. According to Puerto Princesa City DRRMO, 9 barangays are currently flooded, including barangays San Manuel, San Miguel, San Jose, San Pedro, Tagburos, Tiniguiban, Sicsican, Irawan, and Bancao Bancao.
Nakita ninyo, mga kabarangay, dito sa barangay Sicsican.
Nananawagan po